Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to sign documents using PDF XChange Editor. First, open the PDF document you wish to sign. Once open, locate the Protect tab at the top of your screen. Click on this tab, and then select the Sign Document option. This action will initiate the signing workflow, guiding you through the necessary steps to securely add your signature to the document. Next, you'll need to create your signature. PDF XChange Editor offers several methods. You can draw it freehand, type your name, or import an image of your existing signature. Take a moment to customize its appearance, perhaps changing the color to black or blue and adjusting the line thickness. Once satisfied, remember to save your signature for quick access in future documents, saving you valuable time. With your signature created, it's time to place it on your document. Simply click and drag your mouse to draw a box where you want the signature to appear. You can easily resize this box to ensure your signature fits perfectly within the designated signing area. Take a moment to review its placement and size, making sure it is clear, legible, and professionally presented on the page. Finally, once your signature is perfectly placed, you'll need to apply it to the document. After applying, it's crucial to save your work. Go to File and then Save to update the existing document. Alternatively, use Save as to create a new version, perhaps adding Signed to the file name. This ensures your original document remains untouched while providing a signed copy for your records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.